UBC exists for the express purpose of improving the lives of carpenters and their families so that we can stand together for wages and benefits and work conditions. When the time crunch comes and the boss is saying, we got to get this done, we got to get this done, temperatures go up.
When you have compressed schedules, tight profit margins, that many people doing different things on a project, conflict is an everyday part of our life. We strive for a constructive culture in everything we do. Everything Disc is a tool that we use to ensure that that constructive culture takes place every day.
Utilizing Everything Disc products within our programs brings validity to what we're doing. It really just emphasizes the things we're trying to accomplish. And for someone to self-assess and get results that were not told by someone else, but that they brought to the table, I think that the impact on them has a lot of value.
It just made me more conscientious of how I communicate with others and how I'm coming off to others as I try to communicate to them.
Interesting how you took all these questions and the next thing you know, you have this profile on yourself. If you really looked at it and go, wow, I can improve in this part, or I am strong in this part where you didn't think you were.
2 or 3 minutes into the report, you can see the faces change. They're punching each other saying, look at this is so me. It's not that they're just evaluating themselves, that they're eager to get other people to give them insight.
Offering and providing soft skills to our members, to our staff, gives them additional tools outside of the hands-on training. And it really just helped boost them as people, but also just as members of this organization, that they're just better all-around people.
It causes you to look at yourself at face value and to realize that you can change in certain areas that's going to help you become a better person, in which that's what it actually did for me. How I approach different things with my son, with my wife. I mean, it really impacted me.